Crunchy, creamy, cookie, candy, cupcake. Okay, everybody, let's take it from the top. The stage is set. The night moist with apprehension. Alone in her chamber, the princess prepares to take her own life. It is far better to nourish worms than to live without love. She reaches for the poisoned chalice. Meanwhile, the wicked Malvolio plots his ascension to the throne. While her aging father lies gravely ill. Yes, I'm gravely ill. Hark! Who goes there? 'Tis I, the much-anticipated hero returning to rescue his emotionally unstable maiden. Unhand her, you jailers of virtue, or taste the... bitter sting of my vengeance. The sting of my... Dr. Marks? Dr. Marks, I'm not getting anything from you. People, we've... talked about this. Acting is reacting. Victor, you were wooden. There, I said it. Mr. Timms, you were good. Perhaps a little too good. What's that, Victor? My character is undefined? That's absurd. I know who I am. I'm the guy, the protagonist, the hero. Every story needs a hero. I mean, who else is better qualified to bask in the adulation of his numerous companions? Tio, just a second. All right, now listen. I'm gonna give you fellas one last chance to reconsider. And if you don't want to... reconsider, I might consider reconsidering myself. Huh?
Run, Forrest, run! Run, Forrest!
Now that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. All right, now listen up. Things are going to be different around here now that Rango's in town. Got some new rules. I want my shoes shined every morning, my coffee hot, Danish on the side. Whatever you do, don't look me in the eye. Stay out of my peripheral vision.
It's Rango. What's he up to? He ain't afraid of nobody. He's a-telling that bird what for.
When you see me coming, stand aside. I take large steps, and I don't want none of you hayseeds getting your bodily fluids on my boot. Of course, there is no need for violence as long as we stick together, work as a team. So I want you all to come on outside now, line up single file while I take a brief intermission.
What's he doing now?
I think it's a number 2.